everyone! Today I'm here with my sister Carolina and she will be doing artsy makeup.
Yes, I am the makeup artist.
What are you gonna do and what are you gonna use?
Today we are going to do the exotic bird makeup.
Caca!
And we have very much, this is some of it, there's more, and it's gonna be very colorful.
Thank you. Let's get started.
I'm finished. Do you like it? I love it.
I love it!
Makeup artist Carolina. I made the eyebrows represent the feathers of the birds, and the nose is the beak, and the mouth is just part of the body of the bluebird. You love it?
Yes, I do love it!
It looks magical.
I would look like a lion.
Like a bird.
This is a look that you want to have for a carnival for all age groups from 1 to 55. Thank you.
You're welcome.
This is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye.
Bye.